In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Shopify balance. This is perfect if you want a quick snapshot of what money is available to spend, what's pending, and what's coming in or out of your Shopify business account. I'll keep it simple, clear, and actionable so you can follow along in a few seconds. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. Use your store's standard admin link and sign in with your owner or staff credentials. If you manage multiple stores, double check that you're in the correct one before you proceed. For security, make sure you're on a trusted device and have two-factor authentication enabled. That helps protect your financial information as you access your balance. Once you're in the admin, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Finance. This section is your home base for anything money related in Shopify, including payouts, billing, taxes, and balance. If you don't see finance, you may need the right staff permissions, or your account might not have access to financial features. Switching to an account with the appropriate access usually resolves that. Inside Finance, click Balance. This opens the dedicated area for Shopify Balance, which is Shopify's built-in business money management for eligible merchants. It centralizes your funds so you can see what's available and keep operations moving without jumping between tools. You'll now see your Shopify Balance dashboard. Front and center, check your available balance. That's what you can spend right now with your card or use for transfers. You'll also see pending amounts, which are funds on their way from recent sales but not yet cleared, and any holds or reserves if Shopify is temporarily reviewing transactions. Below that, review recent activity to confirm payouts, card purchases, refunds, and fees. Clicking into a transaction reveals details and helps you reconcile orders with spending. Use the dashboard's filters to adjust date ranges and focus on specific activity, like card transactions only. If you rely on regular bookkeeping, look for options to download statements or export transactions, then match them with your accounting records. Check your scheduled transfers so you know when funds will move to any linked external account, and verify the timing aligns with your cash flow needs. If you're using a Shopify balance card, confirm recent card charges and freeze or replace the card if anything looks off. Never share card or account numbers publicly. If balance isn't available in your region or on your plan, the page will indicate that. Otherwise, that's it, you're set. Log in, go to Finance, click Balance, and use the dashboard to understand what you can spend today and what's coming next.